Hi, welcome to Bake with Koa, and say yes to this banana blondies. It is so cute and fudgy, full with bananas and coconut taste. It is so easy, just mix all of the ingredients together and bake. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Next, for the spread, mix warm melted butter with all of the ingredients. For the flavorings, we are using COWA'S Extra Virgin coconut oil. This coconut oil is so good in flavoring. It is not overpowering and it is really subtle, packed with nutrients. Lastly, add in the icing sugar. You can use any topping that you have in your home. For this, I am using peanut butter. You can add jam if you want to, like Nutella and anything. Decorate it with mini pretzel bites and hazelnut. See, dah siap. Senang je. Try lah buat. Memang senang sangat resepi ni. Enjoy your baking moment better with Koa. See you again. Bye.